Hello, one and all. What's happening? Another day of the week gone by. Yep, I'm having something called kada. Everybody must be having it these days, right? So, kada and steaming and whatnot. Anyhow, our topic of discussion is not kada and steaming. So, I want to talk about something that most humans, not robots, obviously, uh, normal people like you and me forget is something to do with called following your dreams. हम लोग करियर के चक्कर में और अपनी फैमिली के चक्कर में और पैसा कमाने के चक्कर में पैसा पैसा कैसा कैसा पैसा सारी मुसीबत पैसा भूल जाते हैं कि हम कुछ सपने देखते हैं या सोचते हैं या कुछ करना चाहते हैं या कहीं घूमना चाहते हैं कुछ भी करना चाहते हैं सो वी फॉरगेट following one's dreams. Now, if you ask me, a very close to heart dream of mine was to visit Spain on a very special occasion of my life. Neither the occasion has remained special anymore, nor I visited the country. But you know what? If you keep your feelings alive, your emotions alive, your thoughts alive, you can still do it. And no, I'm not kidding you. It's very easy to do. Anything that you attract, anything that you believe will be yours, provided you go in the set path. You have to believe, you have to attract, you have to visualize, you have to work for what you want. And not necessarily one phase in life is going to stop you to do other things in life. You could have a bad employment, you could have had a bad marriage, a relationship, whatever, ABC. These are not obstacles to doing what you want. Focus on the good things in life, go after what you dream, go after what you want to achieve. And hey, I'm not saying this in thin air. I still wanna go to countries, I still wanna visit places, I still wanna achieve what I wanna achieve. Milan is where my story started or begins. That's what my t-shirt reads, right? Milan, Barca, Spain. I haven't been there, but I wanna go there. And I still passionately believe it, though I wanted to do this 6 years back. But still, it hasn't died down. So my only small message to all of you here is that whatever obstacles life might throw you, that does not inhibit any of us to achieve what we want to. And even if we've forgotten the dream that we wanted to, we need to refocus and realign ourselves. Hell yeah, no excuses work. Without pain, there is no gain. Life is always a teaching lesson. Take the lesson, move on. Obstructions, failures, bad employment, failed relationships, marriages won't stop you. क्वीन मूवी याद है ना? अपने आप हनीमून पे चली गई थी, राइट? सोलो ट्रिप्स, care, solo, with friends, whatever. My case is a trip. That's why I focused on it. But yes, I hope and I pray that all of you out there who are my avid followers, listeners, do achieve and do get what they want. And if you like this video, please do circulate, like, subscribe and rotate. Visit me at Sanskari Ladka. Good night. Take care. Be safe. See you tomorrow.